Every process begins where growth is patient. Timing decides the harvest. Precision protects the fruit. Freshness moves by hand. Inspection starts at the source. Only suitable fruit continues. Preparation begins early. Order protects quality. Every batch is measured. The journey accelerates. Freshness is sealed. Nature hands off to industry. Distance shortens with motion. Every rotation preserves quality.
Stability matters.
Timing is critical. Agriculture meets industry. The destination appears. Controlled entry begins. Verification is essential. Every arrival is synchronized.
Fresh harvest meets the system.
Handling defines preservation. Preparation begins immediately. Gravity starts the process. Human eyes still matter. Design serves efficiency. Cleanliness is non-negotiable.
Every step is monitored.
The factory takes control. Every surface is exposed. Preparation means control. Decisions happen in seconds. Technology sharpens selection. Accuracy at full speed. Uniformity matters. Final cleanse before transformation.
Prompt 46 lock. Air removes moisture. Camera, close pan, sound, airflow, connection, dry advance. Narration, dry surfaces protect quality.
Flow is carefully paced. The core process begins.
Skins are removed.
Efficiency replaces labor.
Consistency is engineered.
Prompt 52 clue. Visual, adjustable slicers. Camera, push-in. Sound, clicks. Connection, stable feed. Narration, uniform thickness matters.
One fruit, many outcomes.
Crunch is planned.
Fineness begins here.
Color is protected.
Water must leave.
Heat awaits.
Transformation starts. Time removes water.
Prompt 62, evaporation. Visual, steam vents. Camera, close. Sound,
Prompt 63, chip crisping. Visual, higher temp for chips. Camera, track, sound, heat, connection, golden texture. Narration, crunch develops.
Fineness is preserved.
Appearance is set.
Prompt 66, cooling conveyor. Visual, exit to cooling. Camera, tracking, sound, fans, connection, texture sets. Narration, heat departs.
Structure stabilizes.
Prompt 68, moisture sensors. Visual, inline readings. Camera, macro, sound, beeps, connection, green lights. Narration, dryness confirmed.
Ready for handling.
Prompt 70, transfer kigust. Visual, convey to automation. Camera, forward, sound, motors, connection, into systems. Narration, automation takes over. Prompt 71 point, chip screening. Visual, screens remove fines. Camera, side, sound, rattle, connection, clean chips. Narration, uniform pieces. Prompt 72, powder milling. Visual, mills reduced to powder. Camera, close, sound, grind, connection, silos. Narration, particle size achieved. Prompt 73, automated conveyors. Visual, interlinked belts. Camera, tracking, sound, hum, connection to hub. Narration, flow without hands. Prompt 74 point PLC room. Visual, live dashboards. Camera, pan, sound, beeps, connection, line highlight. Narration, variables synchronized.
Timing defines efficiency. Clean systems run longer. Capacity meets demand.
Machines, Lenny. Check machines.
Safety without stopping. Flow is never rushed.
Stability confirmed.
The path is chosen.
Prompt 85, precision infeed, visual, even distribution, camera, forward, sound, flow, connection, units fed, narration, control is microscopic. Prompt 86, sieving powder, visual, fine mesh sieves, camera, side, sound, rattle, connection, uniform, narration, purity, refined.
Shelf life improves.
Prompt 88, point texture polish, visual, final smoothing, camera, pan, sound, low vibration, connection, glossy, narration, final touch.
Conditions locked in. Product rests.
Prompt 91, inline sensors, visual, color/moisture, camera, macro, sound, pulses, connection, green, narration, specs confirmed.
Approved to pack. No compromise.
Prompt 94 pre-pack buffer, visual, final buffer, camera overhead, sound, hum, connection, machines wake, narration, packaging awaits.
Precision meets presentation.
Prompt 96-2. Visual. Conveyors start. Camera. Forward. Sound. Motors. Connection. Product moves.
Quality verified.
Every batch tells a story.
Prompt 99, moisture test, visual, analyzer reads, camera, macro, sound, beep, connection, logged, narration, dryness quantified.
Balance matters. Appearance matters.
Safety is invisible.
Crunch defined.
Numbers must agree. Prompt 105, visual, digital stamp, camera, tight, sound, tone, connection, signal sent, narration, green light given.
Records preserved.
Prompt 108, release, visual, signal green, camera, tilt, sound, relay, connection, pack moves, narration, now it's a product.
Prompt 109, visual, accurate dosing, camera, low track, sound dispense, connection, seal ahead, narration, accuracy matters.
Sealed for protection.
Prompt 111, labeling, visual, labels applied, camera, dolly, sound, rollers, connection, dates visible, narration, identity applied.
Traceability permanent.
Speed meets consistency.
Order at scale.
Protected for journey.
Awaiting distribution.
Routes planned.
From factory to market.